From the very first glance, the Isuzu D-Max commands attention. That bold, muscular front grille framed by sleek LED headlights announces power with precision. The sculpted lines running along its sides aren't just for style. They carve out a sense of motion, even when standing still. Those massive alloy wheels grip the road with confidence, while the flawless paint finish reflects every detail like a mirror, making the D-Max look as unstoppable as it feels. Move to the rear and the story continues. A strong, purposeful tailgate design and dynamic LED taillights seal the deal, giving it a stance that's as commanding as the front. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin built for both strength and comfort. Premium leather-wrapped seats embrace you, perfectly balanced between rugged durability and luxury. The dashboard is bold yet refined, with every control placed exactly where your hand expects it. The widescreen infotainment system responds with effortless precision, and the crystal-clear sound system transforms every drive into an experience. You feel the quality in every touch. The smooth steering wheel, the solid click of the controls, the quiet confidence in the cabin's insulation from the world outside. Then comes the moment you press the start button. The engine's deep, confident growl sets your pulse racing. On the move, the D-Max delivers raw power with smooth precision, handling every turn, every road, with an unshakable sense of control. The Isuzu D-Max isn't just a pickup. It's where toughness meets sophistication. It's not just about getting to your destination. It's about owning every moment of the journey.